The feeders, good afternoon. Just to an update, a quick update. The feeders are finally here. That's the roof. So the idea is in the middle section, we'll put our hay bales, and there's the goat's nibble through the hay. Some of the hay will be falling down into the troughs, so that we minimize the wastage, so they can still continue feeding on the hay when it's fallen into the troughs. Because the thing, once the hay is on the ground, some of the goats might lose interest. And besides putting hay on the middle section, and the bottom section we can also put feed like goat nuts, goat pellets, crushed maize, crushed shekesha. That's the mbuku tree in some areas. And so it's a multi-purpose. The roof is for the weather elements, so that when it's raining and there's hay there, you minimize on the wastage. The air will remain dry and can be put to good use once the goat come out from their goat housing. So that's the roofing sheets. So besides this, we have these drums, which are these tires, which have been sealed at the bottom. They also act as feeders. So we'll see how, because now we have 3 compartments, so we'll see how we place what we have so far, which feeders will go into which lots, into which partitions, whether for the kids, for the bucks, or the general head, which I've already shown you the goat house. This is the goat house for the general head. And this is the goat house for nursing mothers and kids. And now the goat house for the bucks is going to be somewhere in this partition. We haven't come to do that yet. Hopefully in the next month, because what is happening is we are not in a hurry to put it now, because we have taken this period to be the mating season. So the bucks are running with the females. So we have a month to construct the goat house for the bucks. So we know by end of Jan, we'll bring our bucks in, and then we'll see. Hopefully most of the mature females will have been mated, and then we'll give it 5 months until the kidding starts. So at least maybe from the next breeding season it will be more controlled, because when we win the kids from that kidding season. We might wean them off, and we'll give them about 2 months to suckle on the mothers, and then we wean them off and start preparing them for the next season. And then we also prepare the bucks in those, while they are still the kids are suckling on the mothers. We prepare the bucks so that they're ready, and then we bring the females after we've weaned off the kids. So that then we do actual proper records of which females have been mated and when. So the next one will be more controlled, and then we'll be giving it, the females will be running with the bucks for 42 days, because goats come on heat every 21 days. So if they miss the first heating, then they'll be able to mate with them when they come on heat for the second time. So we've given them 2 chances to be able to come on heat and mate. And this is the thing I was talking about. It's like a race, which will be used. We'll use this one for treating the goats and dipping. So what we'll do is we'll drive the goats from this pen on this partition, and then they'll go in the race. At the end there, you will see that we've put some poles across to block it off. We'll do the same this side when we have enough numbers which we'll be dealing with, and then we'll deal with the ones which will be inside. We haven't actually seen how many will fit. Hopefully maybe 20 or 25 at a time, and we'll deal with those. We'll do the injections, we spray them, then we'll open the other end for the goats to go dry off in the playing area. So this is the update we have for today. And with our water troughs, we'll be also working on putting some metal frames around them so that they won't be in the state they're in where they're folding apart. So that's what we will be doing. We have invested in a welding machine at the farm, and 1 or 2 guys at the farm have done a bit of welding. So it will be a walk in the park, and then there'll be taking notes from the feeders we've just brought in, so it won't be much of a hassle. It's time for the kids to go to bed now. So again, I say thank you. We've started the year on a high note, 2026. We are glad with the progress we've made so far in 2026. Hopefully we'll be seeing some different results come end of year. So once again, I say thank you and good night. I'll show you when these feeders, when we've set them up and we've put the roofing and see where we place them. Yeah, I think you are free to also suggest when you see our setup in the comment section of what you think, what else, where you think we should put them. and what else we should improve on. We are open to positive criticism. That's all farming is all about. No, we've come to see that there's no one size fits all in farming. You learn every day in farming. That's why it's an exciting adventure. Every day you are learning something new. Even in the groups, always someone has something to suggest, and then you see if it's something which fits with your situation on the ground. Sometimes some suggestions will not be practical in every setup. So anyway, once again I say see you another time on the next video.